Can I make a video with Seedance 2.5 that's monetizable and blows up on TikTok within 24 hours? I'm pretty confident that I can, but you will have to wait till the end to see the results. So yesterday I found this page that posted 50 AI videos, and only one of those videos went really viral. So I watched it and studied it for a bit, and I understood why. It is super realistic AI video of guy assembling a miniature bicycle with ASMR sound in the back. Now I'm gonna use Seedance 2.5 to make a video just like that, but I'm gonna make it better and I'm gonna make it 1 minute long so it can be monetized on TikTok. And the best place right now to use Seedance 2.5 is Higgsfield, because at the moment only there you have 1080p version available. And I want to use 1080p version because lately TikTok has been pushing more content that's in 1080p higher quality, because I don't know, for some reason 720p is not enough. And if you go to the first link in the description and get Higgsfield account, you're gonna get 5 free generations only today. But if you're watching this later, I'm pretty sure that there is better deal if you go through the link down below. So let's begin. Here in Higgsfield we are gonna go to supercomputer first and use the skill that I made. It's called mini bike ASMR build, and we are going to use that skill to plan out our video. Because we are using Seedance 2.5 and not Clink, we don't need to generate each clip and each image manually, so that we need like 20 images and 20 AI clips to put together to get 1 minute video. We can literally make 2 30-second videos and that's it. And Seedance 2.5 is built in a way where you can literally direct each second in the video however you want. So I'm gonna use AI or supercomputer inside Higgsfield to write these prompts. And I taught it to write literally like in the right order how the parts should be assembled. And in the first part of the video, it's unpackaging and unboxing those parts of the bike. And then in the second part of the video, the guy is putting them together, like clicking, tick, tick, tick. Now here, first I need to explain which bike I want. I want something that's like a mountain bike, like in crazy colors. Let's see. Okay, I don't really like this bike. I want more professional looking colors. So let's ask it for ideas. Alright, I want to regenerate it with red and black color. While we are making for this image to be generated, I need to give you a huge tip for saving credits. Here in supercomputer, I recommend you to use DeepSeek version 4 because it's by far the cheapest. It's like 20 times cheaper than using Claude, and it gets almost same results in this case. Alright, here's the image and I like it much more. Now let's generate another image with bike parts laying on the table and the prompts for Seedance. These prompts are gonna be really long and it would be a huge time waste to write it manually. In this case, supercomputer is super useful. Alright, it's finished writing, so let's download these 2 images and copy the first prompt and head to homepage on Higgsfield, and let's open video page. Alright, here you can see that I already made one video before, and I'm gonna post that video right now on a page that I worked up over the last week, and I'm posting it here on my PC. Today is 17 August and I'm gonna post it at 9:30 p.m. So if by tomorrow at this time it doesn't blow up and get at least 100,000 views, I will have to break an egg on my head. And if it doesn't get to 1 million views, I will have to give away Higgsfield subscription to someone that comments down below. You can comment whatever you want, but it has to be at least few words. And winner will be announced in the description on the next video. So let's upload it. I just put a few hashtags. Let's choose a fancy banner, and most importantly select that it's AI generated so I don't get flagged by not following community guidelines or whatever. Now let's get back to making the video. So let's upload first the images. And we need to check their eligibility. Here below we need to paste the prompt, and we need to make sure that these things are green because it is referencing the image that we uploaded. Then we set vertical aspect ratio and adjust the length to 30 seconds. And quality needs to be at 1080p of course, so let's hit generate. I'm very confident that it's gonna be banger on the first try because Seedance is literally next level. Alright, here is the first clip. Now we just copy the second prompt and run it again. Okay, now generations are finished. Let's download them and take them to editing software. I just want to cut the boring parts out. If something is like dragging for 3 or 4 seconds, we need to cut that out because people are gonna stop watching at that point. So here are the clips. I'm gonna first place them in the timeline in the right order. And I noticed here is a long part that like where nothing is moving. So I'm gonna cut that out and I'm gonna extend the video at the end so it crosses that 1 minute mark. Because we want it to count towards Creator Rewards program, because to be monetized there you need post or 1 minute long videos. Okay, so now let's time travel to tomorrow to get the results. Alright, it hasn't been 24 hours yet, but we do have some sweet results. Alright, so we are sitting at 174,000 views and literally 0 comments, because for some reason I turned them off after uploading the video and I didn't turn them back on. I don't know what I was doing, but as soon as I noticed that, which is like 20 minutes ago, I turned them back on. But now we are not getting any more views, so we probably are not gonna get any more comments also. So I didn't completely fail, but it hasn't been 24 hours yet. But still, I feel like it's not gonna hit 1 million views in the next few hours. So I need to give one Higgsfield Ultra plan to somebody in the comments. Now, make sure that you are subscribed, that you like the video, and comment, maybe give me an idea what to do with this page. And I will check if you did all these steps and I will announce the winner in the next video in the comments. So subscribe to get a notification to see if you are a winner. And by the way, if you watched to this point, you're probably pretty serious about this stuff. So if you need help growing your page and monetizing it to $5,000 per month, I actually work with few people each month one-on-one and help them grow their page. You can learn more and see if you qualify for that on the second link in the description. See you in the next one.